All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful white with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, backup camera, 12,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks pretty decent. I think I just saw a dingy, a little ding there, PDR work, and one right here. So two things on this hood, PDR work, but it is there. This quarter here looks pretty good. This front fender. Front driver's rim, very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Let me double check that. It's at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread back here is at 730 seconds. Here's your nice roof. No dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. It does have two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual. Got your backup camera. Your heated seats. Boom, boom. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you can see 12,431,000 miles. And it does have an airbag light on. That's pretty much it. Keep it moving. You get your all-wheel drive and all your good stuff right there. Rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, the holes, the tears, the reps, does have an armrest and cup holders. Rear AC vents. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Does have some little chippies and stuff like that. That's typical. Your lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manual there as well. Beautiful carpet, looks good. This quarter looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger rim. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender does have a dent here, about 4 inches PDR. I don't see any paint off, but it does have a dent there. Here's your front passenger rim and your tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds, about a hairline. Lights are on, car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive with 12,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.